In today's video, I will walk you through how to add an email alias in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open your primary Gmail account on a computer. Head over to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open your quick settings menu. Next, click on See All Settings at the top of that panel. Once your settings page loads, look at the top menu bar and click on the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down just a bit until you find the section labeled Send Mail As. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your current email address listed there. To add your new alias, click on the blue link that says Add Another Email Address. A small pop-up window will appear asking for some basic information. Type in the name you want people to see when they receive your email, and then enter the full email address you want to use as your alias. Notice the box that says Treat as an alias. In most cases, you'll want to leave this checked. This tells Gmail that you own both addresses and treats them interchangeably. Click Next Step. Now, Gmail will ask you to confirm that you own this address by sending a verification code. Click Send Verification. Log into the inbox of that secondary email address, find the confirmation email from Google, and either click the confirmation link or paste the numeric verification code back into the setup window. And that's it! Your new alias is officially linked. To test it out, click the Compose button for a new message. Look right up at the From field next to your name. Click the drop-down arrow and you'll see your newly added email alias right there, ready to select. You can even set it as your default if you plan on using it most of the time. If this video helped you streamline your inbox, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.